Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make duck pho. First, select a whole duck, ideally around 5 to 6 pounds, to ensure a rich, flavorful broth. Begin by roasting the duck bones and essential aromatics like ginger and onions until they are nicely caramelized. This crucial step deepens the broth's complexity. Then, simmer everything gently for at least 3 hours, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly. Once your broth is simmering, focus on the duck meat. After cooking, thinly slice the duck breast against the grain to ensure each bite is tender and enjoyable. Next, prepare your pho noodles. A quick blanch in hot water is all they need to be perfectly al dente. Have all your fresh garnishes, such as herbs, lime, and chili, prepped and ready for easy assembly. Now for the exciting part, assembling your delicious duck pho bowl. Start by placing a generous portion of fresh, blanched pho noodles at the bottom of your bowl. Next, artfully arrange the thinly sliced duck meat and a vibrant array of fresh herbs and bean sprouts on top of the noodles. Finally, ladle the piping hot, aromatic broth over everything, ensuring it warms all the ingredients. To truly savor your homemade duck pho, serve it immediately while the broth is still steaming hot. Present it with a side of fresh lime wedges, a dash of hoisin sauce, and a spoonful of chili garlic sauce for those who enjoy a little kick. Don't forget extra fresh herbs and bean sprouts, allowing everyone to customize their bowl to perfection. Enjoy every comforting spoonful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.